Hello, I'm Dr. Namrata Hazarika. I'm a resident of Gurgaon and I'm an obstetrician and a gynecologist. So I got to know about this course a few years ago from my seniors that there is this hospital in Gurgaon that makes you do that FMAS and DMAS details. So I had to join it in January only, but got delayed because of my pregnancy. So I left my 3-month-old baby and came to this course, and trust me, it's worth it. And I have learned so much, all the basics in laparoscopy. And Dr. Mishra, our sir, our professor, he is just an awesome and amazing teacher, an amazing surgeon from whom you can learn the laparoscopy, the robotics, all the things very nicely. I am very, very happy and I have really no regrets that I kept my baby at home. I learned and I gained skill from World Laparoscopy Hospital and Dr. Mishra. Thank you so much.
I'm Dr. Ani Gonzalez. I'm coming from Venezuela, but I'm working currently in Saudi Arabia. I know about this course because some of my friends came here before and were very amazed about it. I can recommend 100%. I think it's one of the best experiences that I had in my life.
Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulullah. My name is Ahmed Rashid, working Egyptian, working in Saudi Arabia. I am very glad. I am a pediatric surgeon. I am very glad and I am very pleased to attend this very nice course, well organized, well prepared, well conducted. And I actually got benefit from this fruitful course. And I extend my thanks to Dr. Mishra, Dr. Fala, and to everybody in this hospital. And I do recommend for this course for anybody who is willing to learn about the laparoscopy and about the robotic. Thank you very much.
I'm Dr. Vanisha. I'm from India. I'm basically doing laparoscopic coaching from World Laparoscopy Hospital. I'm from Max Hospital. I think World Laparoscopy Hospital is the best hospital in India if you want to actually get hands on laparoscopy. They teach you right from the basics. I think no institute in India can teach you the basics, which Dr. Mishra teaches us. Right from the staff, everybody is amazing. Everybody will help you out. I think one must join World Laparoscopy Hospital for the further development. Thank you.
Dr. Daniel Rajkumar. I am a general surgeon practicing in Dehradun. I came to know about this course from a colleague who had done the course before. And the best thing I liked about the course was that it was very informative, practical, and Dr. Mishra is very generous in sharing his knowledge. It was a wonderful experience for me. Thank you.
Je suis Dr. Belawida Tawfiq, pediatric surgeon from Algeria. Je suis très content de venir ici en Inde, participer à cette formation qui était très bénéfique. Je pense que j'ai vraiment la chance de rencontrer le professeur Michel et le professeur Vala qui ont fait un travail extraordinaire. Je conseille tous les chirurgiens qui veulent se perfectionner en chirurgie laparoscopique de venir ici en Inde, World Laparoscopic Hospital. Je pense qu'ils ne vont pas regretter. Merci beaucoup.
So I'm from Kerala. I did my PG from a premier institute in India. Still, I was able to learn the basics of laparoscopy from the institute. I thank all the members of the institute and I thank Dr. Mishra.